All right, so we started with comparing, right? We started with comparing a little bit, but we're going to look at it more today. So in order to compare the slopes, we need to know what the slope is, okay? So remember, in order to find the slope from a table, we have to do 0 minus 13, which is negative 13. We have to do 26 minus 39, which is negative 13. We have to do 0 minus 2, which gives me negative 2. And we have to do 4 minus 6, which equals negative 2. I take the right side and put it over the left. So that would be negative 13 over negative 2, or we could call that 13 over 2. Okay? So that's our slope, or our M, right? What is our M for Holland? 6. Then, in order to find it from a table, let's see if I can zoom this in a little bit. We need to find 2 points that touch corners, and we need to create our triangle. So how many boxes up is it? 7, and how many over is it? 1. So 7 over 1, or just 7, right? Which of these, 7, 6, or 13 over 2, is the biggest? 7 over 1 is the biggest. Okay? That is the largest slope. All right? Now we're going to look at Smith, Harmon, and Macy's. So same thing. We need to find our slope from the table. So I have 0 minus 5, which is negative 5. I have 10 minus 15, which is negative 15. I have 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. And 8 minus 12, which is negative 4. So I'm going to take the right side and put it over the left. So that gives me negative 15 over negative 4, which gives me a positive 15. That's 5. What am I doing? This is why I need you guys in my life. 5 over 4 positive. Okay? What is your M for Harmon? 7 over 2. All right, then we need to find Macy's. Macy's is kind of hard. If you look at it, it looks like there is one at the start, and then the next one isn't going to be, oh, I'm thinking of a different problem, just kidding, it's right here. So up and over, that's 1, 2, and over 1, so it's 2 over 1, or 2. Which one is the smallest slope? Let's look at the other way. Which one is the smallest slope? Would it be 7 over 2, 2, or 5 over 4? 7 over 2, 2, or 5 over 4? It's going to be 5 over 4. If you are the person that can't compare those fractions, then what you could do is divide. Take the top number, divide by the bottom. This would be 1.25. This would be 3.5. And then that's obviously 2. Okay? So let's look at the third one. Again, let's go back to the largest slope for this one. Let's look at the largest slope for this one. Okay, so let's start with our arrows and our subtracting. What's 0 minus 6? Negative 6. What's 12 minus 18? Negative 6. And if you're the person that knows how to do that subtraction, then you don't have to write that. That's just me showing y'all how I'm getting these answers. 0 minus 4, negative 4. 8 minus 12, negative 4. Right side over left side. So we have negative 6 over negative 4. What can I divide 6 and 4 by? 2. Which gives me negative 3 over negative 2, which is a positive 3 over 2. What is Aubrey's slope? 3 over 2. And then we have Quixote, whatever his name is, his slope. He's the one I was thinking of. So one of them is here. The next one that actually touches corners is right here. So how many up is it? 5. How many left and right is it? 4. So again, let's put these as decimals. This is 1.25, we knew that from the last one. This is 1.5, and this is 1.5. So which one's the largest? Actually, in this case, it's a tie, isn't it? Aubrey and Tyler have the largest slope. Aubrey and Tyler have the largest slope. Okay? Let's see what you can do on your own.